Hi guys, it's me. I'm back with a video. It's been a long time since I've actually sat and done a video for you guys. So this is the highly requested foundation routine, my foundation routine. I think I have one up on my channel already, but this is definitely updated from that one. This is my second attempt to record this this video. The first attempt, the lighting was off, and I'm still trying to figure out like proper lighting and all that. So my lighting was off and I just didn't like how it came out, so I recorded it again. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this one much better. And right now I'm recording this intro on my iPhone because I was recording this foundation routine on my camera and my SD card just completely gave out, and I didn't want to leave the video without like an ending or an intro, or like some of the stuff wasn't recorded. And so I just decided to put it on my phone. I've never recorded on my phone, so I really hope the quality is good and you can really see like the makeup and the color and how it looks, because sometimes cameras, you know, depending on the camera, it can wash out the color or it can make it look yellow, you know, whatever. So this video will be basically what I do for my foundation routine. My eyes and my lips and like my blush and everything will not be in this video because I did also record what I did with my eyes and everything else for another video, which will be my take on like a nice Valentine's Day makeup. So you guys can definitely look out for that within the next couple days after this video goes up. Okay, so to get started, I'm gonna start by prepping my skin. And I've already washed it, I've cleansed it and exfoliated and put in moisturizer. So that's very important when it comes to your foundation routine, is to make sure that your face is clean and well prepped and ready to go. So I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and what I'm gonna use today to do that is 2 Farsali drops. And for those of you who have done your makeup with me before or know me well, know that I love their products and I love the drops. So you're just gonna put it like this. And work it in to the face. Like that. Now, as you see, my eyes are already done. I am doing a separate video for this same eye look, so this video is going to go up first, and then you can keep an eye out for the eyes. Yeah, you can keep an eye out for the eyes. Oh, by the way, this drop that I used, the purple one, is the Unicorn Essence, and the second one I'm going to use now is the SkinTune. So this one, you just concentrate it more to the middle of your face, and then you work it outwards to your T-zone, like this. Alright, the next thing that I do is color correcting. To color correct my dark circles under my eyes and like my mouth, my nose, I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. To blend it, I'm going to use the Real Techniques Deluxe Concealer Brush, which is, so I'm just going to put it under my eyes, around my nose, my mouth, and like some of the scars that I have. Like 3 weeks ago, I was breaking out so bad. Like, I've never broken out this bad. And I'm now getting my face to kind of go back to looking the way it needs to look. I still have some work to do, but it really wasn't cute. Alright, so I'm going to take that brush and just blend it out. Spread it and blend it out. Okay, so now that I've gotten that all blended out, I'm gonna go on my foundation. So the foundation I'm using today is by Fenty Beauty. I'm sure a lot of you already know about this foundation. It's really good, like I really like it. Yeah, so the shade I'm in is 310. So to apply the foundation, I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender. And what I'm gonna do is I take like 3, I might not need that much, but I don't know. Let's see how it feels. It's a more medium to full coverage foundation, so you build it up to what you like. So let's see what mood I am today. Maybe I put one layer and I'm good. Maybe I want more. I don't know. We'll see. All right. So how I apply it is just take the beauty blender and I work from one side to the next. Like I do one side first. So I start from the middle and just work my way out. And I kind of like tap and press like that. Like that's the best way I think I could explain it. And then I work up my forehead. And always be sure to bring your foundation down to your neck. So the next thing I'm going to do is my cream contour, and I use the NYX Wonder Stick. I use the NYX Wonder Stick in Deep Profound, I guess. I don't use the lighter shade in this stick. I just use the dark color. So, you know, just put it at the hollows of your cheeks where you want more definition. You put it there. Just a little bit of your cupid's bow and a little bit under your lip. Put a little more on my forehead. Okay. And to blend that out, I'm going to use the e.l.f. small stipple brush. Now when I blend this, I try to blend upwards to keep the color moving up, so it gives it like a lifted effect. Because I have a round chubby face, so contouring is my best friend. Alright, and to blend out the nose, I'm going to use the Morphe E62 brush. It is a angled blending brush, and this brush I believe was custom made by James Charles in the brush collection that he did with Morphe. So I'm going to use this one for my nose. Just like blend it downwards to create that definition. Okay, now that I have all that blended out, I'm gonna put my concealer on, and for the concealer I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and this one is in Granola. I'm gonna put some in the back of my hand. So I'm gonna take the concealer and I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes and like all of the high points of my face, so my face will look lifted. So the bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead, and right underneath where I put the contour, I'm gonna put right there. So to blend this out, I'm going to use the same beauty blender I used to apply the foundation. I'm just going to lightly tap and take it upwards. Okay, so my camera stopped recording because my SD card was full, so I had to just finish off what I had started at that point. So all I did was blend out the concealer like this. Like that. So now I'm going to set the concealer, and for that I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and this one is in Blondie. I'm going to take that same beauty blender and I'm going to just go in there. That's my daughter you hear in the back. Okay, anyway, so you just set under the eye and I bring it down to my upper lip and my smile line, because you know, I tend to crease also on my smile line. So I'm gonna let that bake, and then when it's done, I'm gonna leave it for like 2 minutes. Then I just wipe it away. Okay, so I have wiped off the powder after I left it for like 10 minutes. I ended up leaving it for longer because I don't know, my SD card seems to be giving some problems right now, so I had to put whatever I had on the camera into my laptop and then come back and put it back into the camera, and I don't know, hopefully this will work. Okay, so now that I've wiped the powder off, that would be the end of my foundation routine. I will finish up the rest of my face and let you see what it looks like in the end. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I just finished the bottom of my eyes. I put some lip liner on with some gloss, and I contoured, did some blush and highlight, and all of which will be on the next video coming, which should be like within the next couple days for my Valentine's Day video. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what I do for my foundation routine. I really hope you guys found it helpful. Yeah, and until next time, bye.